LG's interactive whiteboard software is provided with the LG 84-inch touch display and 65-inch overlay touch display. This software has an intuitive user interface, so anybody can easily learn how to use it. Let's look at the main functions showcased in the following video clips. LG's interactive whiteboard IWB landing page. As you can see, the whiteboard consists of two sections, the board and the menu. Together, these sections are used to control the board. The board refers to the main area of the screen. The menu refers to the area of the screen below the board. The menu contains many different functions. The menu button allows you to access various configurations. For example, Bird's Eye View allows you to see the whole page that you are working on. The Note Mode or App Mode function allows you to switch between Note Mode and App Modes. Preview Mode shows thumbnail images of all the working page. You can also use the toolbar, zoom in or out, and full screen or split screen functions to change the configuration of the screen. Now, let's take a look at main functions. There are two modes in IWB software, Note Mode and App Mode. Note Mode provides smart and interactive board functions which enable writing, drawing shapes, using multimedia contents, texting on the applications, and sharing notes. App Mode makes it easy for users to utilize other application programs on the whiteboard, such as Microsoft Office, including PowerPoint, Excel, Word, and Internet access. Writing and drawing. The pen, brush, and highlight tools allow you to write or draw on the board as you want. You can also use the color, thickness, and opacity settings to configure each tool and save frequently used configurations as favorites. Let's see a demonstration of this. Writing and drawing mode allows you to use the pen, brush, and highlight tools. The pen tool supports basic writing. The brush tool allows for softer, more delicate writing. The highlight tool allows you to color words in fluorescent colors. Setting tool properties. Double-click the pen tool to open the Properties window. Select the desired ink color. To choose a different color, click the More buttons and select the color from the template. If the template doesn't contain the desired color, you can choose the color from the color palette. Adjust thickness of pen, brush, highlight. Adjust opacity properties of pen, brush, highlight. You can choose frequently used color as favorite, applies fast and easy.